Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Border City. Today we're checking out a tour of a brand new 2018 Ford F-150 SuperCrew Platinum Series. It's white platinum tri-coat and exterior color. It's powered by a 3.5-liter V6 Ecoboost turbocharged engine, paired to a 4-wheel drive system with electronic shifting, and a 10-speed automatic transmission with auto start-stop technology, creating the best fuel economy and performance offered today. The F-150 Platinum comes with a platinum stainless steel grille, LED daytime running lights, signal lamps, high beams, low beams, and a pair of halogen fog lamps, with chrome tow recovery hooks in the front, an engine block heater, and a set of active grille shutters. At the side we have Platinum Edition alloy wheels and an all-terrain tire. This model has cross-traffic alert, active park assist, chrome mirror caps, chrome door handles, Ford factory remote start, and intelligent access key, as well as power deployable running boards, privacy tinted rear windows, a short box, overhead twin panel moonroof, and 4 full doors to accommodate 5 passengers. The Platinum comes with a unique platinum stainless steel tailgate applique. It has LED tail lamps and reverse lights, rear park sensors, a backup camera, a heavy-duty trailer tow package, a power locking tailgate, box link management system, LED box lighting, and a rear tailgate step. We have power heated mirrors with blind spot monitors, a black and unique red accented interior. You'll find power windows with auto function, power locks, and memory seating, ambient lighting, premium door speakers, and we have a set of door storage pockets, platinum door sills, LED side lighting, automatic headlamps, power adjustable brake pedals, a power heated steering wheel that offers adaptive cruise control with collision support warning, a sync voice activated control switch, and a media center control switch, a flow-through center console, a locking armrest, and a 2-tone Platinum Edition seat. They feature massage functions, heated and ventilated seats, and power controls for all the adjustability. We have a push-button engine start and a beautiful productivity screen for the driver. We have electronic shifting with the automatic 4-wheel drive function, trailer backup system with a brake controller, a Sync 3 touchscreen with navigation, Wi-Fi connectivity, outside temperature display, and a premium sound system from B&O Audio. We have a technology package which gives us the 360 camera system, lane drift assist warning, and active park assist features. We have dual climate control zones, standard air conditioning, and rear window defrost, plus a 12-volt 110 power outlet and another locking glove box for additional storage. We have a 60/40 split bench seat, heated outboard seats, a 12-volt 110 power outlet, and 2 smart USB ports, the twin panel moonroof overhead with the manual sunshade, second row power windows, door speakers, and door storage pockets, plus the power deployable running boards. When the doors are closed, the running boards will tuck up underneath the truck. If you have any additional questions about this model, please don't hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to answering any questions you may have, and we thank you for shopping online with us here at Boundary Ford.